What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and my name is Solomon. For those of you that are new to the channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comment section down below. That's what it's for. And let's get this channel to 100 subscribers. We are on 90 subscribers, guys, and thank you very much, guys, for the support. I really do appreciate it. In today's video, we would actually be doing something different. Now we'll be learning. You'll be learning. I'll be learning. There's something that I do know that some of you guys might not know, but I'll be like explaining that to you guys. You get me? Yeah. Now we'll be looking at a fix and flip. What a fix and flip means in real estate is you buy a house that needs fixing or remodeling, and then you fix it up, and then after you're done fixing it up, you sell it. That's why it's called fix and flip. Now the process of selling it is called the flipping, like you're flipping a pancake. And we're actually going to be learning from the Fruitful Investor. That's his name on YouTube. So he is into real estate investing here in Kitchener, Ontario, and we will be learning from him. So without further delay, let's just go right ahead and jump into this. You get me? Yeah, we're actually going to be learning a lot of things today, and I would like to keep trying to make these videos for you guys. So please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. How that works, I really don't know, but please smash the like button, and also please subscribe now, subscribe now. Anyways, let's get into the video. Play. Okay, so let me pause here. Now there are these things on the screen that I'm sure you guys will see. It says price, expected reno, that means expected renovation, closing costs and fees. ARV means after repair value, and then potential flip profit, that's the amount he would make after he has flipped it. Now price, obviously it's the price of the house, 349,900. That's what he paid for the house. Expected reno is $75,000. What this means is this is the amount he expects to use to renovate the house. So he obviously has walked into the house, looked around, seen what needs to be changed, what needs to be brought in. Now he already knows the price of those things because he's experienced in this. But if you're not experienced in this and you want to do something about this, you would need to bring in a contractor, someone who is more experienced than you, and then you'd have jot things down so that you can be an expert down the line. You get me? Yeah. Now the closing costs and fees. The reason why this is around 20,000, I would guess, is because when you're trying to renovate the house, you would have to be paying fees to the government for renovating that, because the house is not even occupied yet. So you would have to be paying fees to keep the house, and you say yes, you are renovating the house. So that's why he summed this up. Now this could be for it could be benefits for 5-6 months. I'm not sure how many months he plans to finish the whole house, but he's paying that fee for keeping the house while he's fixing the house. Now the ARV, after repair value. Now this means the value of the house after he has repaired it. Now that's the amount he would sell the house after he has repaired it. Now the potential flip profit, it's simple calculation whereby he calculated the price of the house with the expected renovation with the closing cost, and then subtracted it from the ARV. Now the way you can come up with the ARV is by estimating a value of the house after renovation. So you can actually use an agent, like a real estate agent, to do this for you. That's if you're not an agent though. So let's just get into the video and see what he did. Okay. So here you can see how the inside of the house is. The more reason why he increased the price of the renovations. You could see that the floors look bad, the walls look bad. He would actually have to fix those things.
All right, what we got here? Immediately, the smell is hitting me, which is good. That smells like wine to me.
And the funny thing about this houses is it's very profitable, especially when you're holding it, but it's very profitable because in most cases you are buying this type of houses below market, and when you buy a house below market value, that's where your cash comes from. There's this saying in real estate that your money comes from the buy, so the profit you make comes from the amount you buy the house.
Floors totally ruined. This is original hardwood, but it just totally beat up, water damage. It looks like got this dark paint on the wall, beat up. This is a fixer upper. This guy wasn't lying. Let's check out this kitchen. Total gut. We got like an old plywood kitchen. This is not gonna work. I like the position of the sink here, nice and bright, but.
So here what he planned on doing is actually to like remove the whole kitchen and then put in like a new kitchen, which is actually very, very reasonable, because like even from my own perspective, I feel yes, he's actually right to like actually replace the whole kitchen, because that doesn't look good. Not at all. You get me, yeah?
Oh god. We've even got potatoes on the floor? What is this? I don't even want to touch anything in this house. It's nasty. Let's see what we got down here in the bedrooms. We got a bathroom, looks like. Lights don't even work.
No lights in the bathroom.
Look at this place. Bedrooms, got 3 bedrooms up here. Pretty good sizes, but it's all this crap. Can't believe people live like this, man. I've seen worse, but man, this is pretty bad. Got the cool cover plate though. That's pretty sweet, right? I like that.
Did you see that, like that switch, that light switch? He would definitely have to replace it. Now the floors also, like the floors all like in that room that he's just actually living, the floor looks scratched and everything, so there's a very high possibility he would be like changing that also.
Bedrooms, yeah. Flooring gotta come out, total got paint, trim, doors. Got nice windows though. Got a train right in the backyard. I don't know, that's.
Can you see where he said nice windows? So he would be keeping those windows. I believe he's keeping those windows, because if the windows are not faulty, I don't see any reason why you as an investor would want to replace the windows like to an higher window. If especially if you're like fixing it to flip, but if you're fixing to flip it, you might want to like, you know, add some special type of windows, you know, just like increase the price of the house. But it depends. But if you're like actually just fixing it to rent it, you may actually just leave the windows if you're not actually going to be selling it down the line, because you fixing the windows would give the house more price, I guess. But we're learning from this.
Might not be good for flooding. Okay, so our 3 beds. There's no upstairs. It's a bungalow. Let's see how this basement is. Alright, what do we got here? Some weird layout. Good ceiling height though.
Can you see how the basement is very, very destroyed? I guess like the walls are being broken into, the floors, bottles everywhere, cans everywhere. Now that's the thing he has to fix up. Going into this type of this aspect of like real estate, it's not something easy. Like real estate in general, like real estate investing in general, it's not that easy. Like there is work being put into this, so you have to buckle up. Like you have to be prepared for the work.
I mean, we can take this down. This comes out easy. You can put pot lights throughout it. Fireplace is a sweet addition. Looks like in pretty good shape too. It's electric or gas. It looks pretty good. We can paint this white, just kind of clean it up. What we got here? We got like different rooms in this basement. Makes no sense. Kind of like a fake bedroom. Not a lot of light. I think what I would do is take this wall out and just make that basement like huge. Maybe make this weird illegal kitchen. This is not an illegal duplex. Tear this out, maybe make this like a spare bedroom or a den. We have 3 up and plus 1 down. What else we got? basement just keeps going.
This basement is actually big though.
Got more here, more crap laying everywhere. Got a bathroom. Oh, we got a water leak right here.
Now, this house has a basement. Now, back when I used to watch him, even though I still used to watch his videos, he started with doing duplex conversion. Now, that means changing a single family house to a duplex. That means a up and a down. So he rents the up and rents the down to people. So that means he profits from both the top of the house and the basement. Now, this may be a similar thing that he is planning to do. I'm not sure, but if he does it, it should just make him cash, some extra cash, because people are actually looking for duplexes. So if he can change it from just one family house a duplex single family house also, that would actually be good for him. But that's duplex conversion. That would be a different video entirely, and we'll be getting into that.
That's not good. What is that? No way.
What's that?
That's great. Put it on the list. What we got down here? No lights, of course. What the hell is this?
This is...
Camera guy's laughing. What is this?
Oh my
Dude.
God. This is
It's
wow.
amazing. Sick video game, bro. Electrical panel. We got fuse panel. Yep. Tear that out. Man, this place is amazing. I don't know if Rachel's gonna like this one, guys. We'll see. Alright, guys, that's the property. I don't know if we should buy it. I think Rachel will kill me. Comment.
So, from what you can see here, you would see that the basement also has water issues, and then the place where he passed, where he went to see the electrical stuff. Now that also he may fix it. Now that's if he purchases the house. I'm sure you guys learned one or two things, because I did, and I would love to be bringing this content to you guys' screens so we can actually learn one or two things about real estate, because that's what this channel is for. Anyways, guys, please like this video. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, even though I do not know how the YouTube algorithm works, but I believe that like button works. And also, smash that subscribe button. Thank you guys for the support once again. And I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next video. And as always, guys, stay safe.